Hello everyone, welcome back extended video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix no internet connection and something with wrong problem on TikTok account. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and from here you tap on App Store and Play Store and tap on this. From here you search for this TikTok, tap on TikTok. From here you make sure that update new version, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your setting and tap on Wi-Fi, and from here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection and turn off this toggle, and after a few minutes you have again turn on, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and scroll down and tap on system setting. From here you scroll down and tap on backup and reset, tap on this and tap on reset phone, tap on this, and from here what you need to do is tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back here and tap on apps, and from here you tap on apps management, and from here you search for this TikTok and tap on TikTok and tap on permissions. From here you make sure that allow all permissions, tap on camera and tap on allow. You make sure that allow all permission, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then tap on data usage. From here you as can see disable mobile data and disable Wi-Fi. If the both toggle turn on, you make sure that turn off this toggle, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then tap on usage, data usage, and tap on clear cache and clear data, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. Go back and open your TikTok account. You as can see, if the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.